Welcome back everyone. Today we are diving into one of the most useful things in English, the action past, also called the simple past tense for actions. This is the tense you use when you talk about things you did before now, yesterday, last week, a year ago, or even when you were a child. By the end of this lesson, you will feel much more confident telling your daily story, your memories, and your experiences. Action past is really simple. It describes a completed action, something that happened once or repeatedly, something finished and done. For example, I watched a movie yesterday, she cooked dinner last night, they played football last weekend. If it is finished, we use the past tense. And forming it is not complicated, we just change the verb. Let us start with regular verbs. These are the peaceful ones. You just added. Walk becomes walked, play becomes played, clean becomes cleaned, talk becomes talked, study becomes studied. Try saying them with me: walked, played, cleaned, talked, studied. Nice. But do not forget the pronunciation. Sometimes it sounds like T, walked, cooked, sometimes like D, played, cleaned, and sometimes like ID, wanted, decided. Pronounce them clearly and your English will sound smoother. Now comes the fun part, irregular verbs. These guys do not follow the rules, so we memorize their past forms. Go becomes went, eat becomes ate, see becomes saw, take becomes took, make becomes made, come becomes came, buy becomes bought, write becomes wrote. And these are very common in daily English. You use them all the time. Let us do a quick mini exercise. I say the present tense, you say the past. Go, eat, see, take, make. Perfect. Keep practicing those. Next, let us build sentences. The formula is simple. Subject plus past verb plus the rest of the sentence. I went to the beach. She ate noodles. They watched the match. He wrote an email. We studied English yesterday. That is it. If the verb is past, the sentence is in past. Simple and easy to remember. Negatives and questions are connected but a little different. For negatives, we use did not plus the base verb. I did not go, she did not eat, they did not watch. For questions, we use did plus subject plus base verb. Did you go? Did he eat? Did they watch? So remember, in normal sentences the verb is past. In negatives and questions the main verb goes back to base form because did already shows the past. Let us make this real with a conversation. Hey Ramesh, what did you do last Sunday? Oh man, it was a long day. I cleaned my room, washed my clothes, and then went to the market. Nice, you were productive. I just watched some TV and played games. Lucky you. Did you eat anything special? Yes, I made biryani. I love biryani. Did you invite me? I called you but you did not pick up. Oh, I left my phone at home. No worries. Next time I will remind you early. See how naturally they used past forms? Cleaned, washed, went, watched, made, called, left. These are exactly the verbs you need to describe your daily actions. Now it is your turn. I will say a verb in present. You say the past form and make a sentence. Go, eat, play, write, visit. Say it out loud. Try making a sentence of about 7 to 10 words if you can. Do not rush. Just speak naturally. You did amazing. Action past is one of the most important parts of English conversation. Regular verbs just added, irregular verbs you memorize. And anytime you talk about finished actions you use this tense. Daily storytelling, chatting about your day, sharing memories. It is all in action past. Practice describing your yesterday every day and soon it will feel completely natural. Great work and I will see you in Unit 12.